Hey, it's Elwood. This is another quick action lighting video. Hey, we get calls all the time about polarized plugs. What is a polarized plug? And how do I tell if the plug I have is polarized? Well guys, it's really easy. All you have to do is look at the prongs, because on a polarized plug, you have one small prong and one large, all right? The large is gonna be neutral, the small is gonna be hot. Why do they do this? It's for your safety. That way you can't accidentally cross the wires. Hey, if you like this product and you want to see a whole bunch more, make sure to check out our website at actionlighting.com. If you got any specific questions, shoot me an email at elwood@actionlighting.com. And if you want to talk to a real human, give us a call, 406-586-5105. Thanks for your time. Thanks for your business.